Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for the support showed on previous video, and in this video we are simply going to revise a simple story taught to us during our school, but we all forgot it with time in this hectic era. So without any further ado, let's get started. A king who was fighting in a battle for the right of his kingdom suddenly got a prompt in his head that he will lose the war as he does not have enough troops and resources. So the king fled from the field and found a cave and simply went inside the cave and was now feeling safe. After a few days, the king noticed a small spider who has made its web as home and was trying to get onto the top of the cave where the web was located. In the middle of the way of the spider lost its grip and fell down from the cave's wall. This same happened as a loop for around 7 to 8 times, but ultimately the spider got onto the top of the cave and got to its home. This incident stunned the king as he realized that he was fighting for the truth and he has done a sin by leaving the battlefield. The next day, the king left the cave and get into the battlefield again with his armada and he won. Now you must be saying, what do you mean by a battlefield? What is this video for? So I must tell you, my friend, that this video is on the topic of perseverance, that you should never quit. Quitting is a sin that needs to be removed from your brain. Always try and try, because trying is something that will cost you nothing except your wit while you are trying. Now let me give you a simple and known but not recognized example. Do you know Elon Musk? Of course you do know. Do you know about his space company SpaceX? We all are aware of what the story with SpaceX is. If you don't know, then just comment. I will give you a story on SpaceX, Elon Musk. Elon Musk in an interview stated that he was never going to quit. And all
When you had that third failure in a row, did you think, I need to pack this in?
Never.
you need is a determination, just not quitting. With your wit, talent and hard work. Your wit, talent and hard work, all things simply comes on an end of trying, on the verge whether you try or not, because quitting is a sin. If you try, trying is the best thing. One day you will succeed. The time will come. Today you may fail, tomorrow you may fail, day after tomorrow you may also fail, but the fourth day you will never fail, you will succeed. And this determination is required for everyone to finish any task. If you were content by the content of this video, then simply like it, share it and subscribe the channel, as this family will one day grow into a lot of numbers. So be a part of this family. Bye.